Hi everyone, hope you are doing well and you were keeping your shorts and you did a really nice profits by shorting the market. And if you believed in me and were keeping Bitcoin shorts, and also congrats. As yeah, this video, it will be just a quick video, and I will try to talk about what to expect today, maybe tomorrow, but my more high time frame view regarding the market and when we could possibly bottom, I will share a bit later because I had some things to do and I didn't manage to record a longer video. So since I promised you that I will share my view regarding market before the US market opening, so I decided to share at least something short, but maybe it will help you to understand what is better to do today and what it is better to avoid. But my high time frame view regarding the market will be shared hopefully today with video and with the article. Just the thing is, there are a lot of things to write and talk about, and I think it will be 1 hour of video to record to explain you everything properly, how works from the technical side, because I don't do any macroeconomical things. I don't care about tariffs and all this stuff because I think that everything is priced in, and the corrections that we're having right now. I was already explaining many times about this, that it was just a matter of time that correction was needed. And I recommend you still to go to this video, the last one. This one. And go to this video, please, and watch again about Bitcoin and USDT dominance. And because there I was talking about all these levels more properly, and this video also can help you to understand what to expect next, because current video will be just quick about today, tomorrow. So let's check first of all what's going on, what happened during the weekend and during these days. And so as we can see, let me turn on FAGs. So what did we have? We had this bounce until this FIP levels, then dominance rejected, but found a support on this 5.18 level, right? If I'm not mistaken, then there was some also FIP level and yeah, this EMAs. So yeah, if you remember from my last video, I said that it could come, reject, bounce, and continue its uptrend. So this is what we had. We go back to daily, right? And then dominance started to simply consolidate between this level area between 0.5 FIB zone and 0.75, right? And I said that only if there will be a close below 0.05, then it can go lower. But we could see on daily time frame, it was closing 2 days in a row, maybe 1 to 3 days in a row above with the body of the candle, not with the wick, but with the body, and of course on the 4th day it gave this crazy pump, and currently it came exactly to this another FIB levels. It came exactly to 6.24, right? And as I said before, either this will be the top on dominance, and this will be the bottom in Bitcoin, right? Or we will have another pump up on USD dominance, which is equal to another dump in Bitcoin, right? So to understand this, we need to wait for weekly close, but we don't have time to wait a week, 6 days, right? So what do? We go to lower time frame, and we find an area where USD dominance broke its level to go to another to reach another high, and we can see this level, right? This, or let me highlight it as 5.85. Oh no, a bit lower. Yeah, 85. So let me zoom in. What do we see here? We can see that this daily close was above 5.85, and as a result, we had a small retest of this daily FAG and a bounce towards this resistance zone. So today is important close for us, or at least on a 12-hour, 4-hour, and other time frames, but not 1 hour, like from 4 hour to daily. So if we want to see some bounce in crypto, we go to 4-hour time frame. We need to see a 4-hour close below 5.85. In this case, it can come towards to this FEG on 4-hour, right, or 0.5 level, which was previously standing as a resistance. Currently, it will stand as a support. So, which means what USD dominance can do? It can give a close, come to 0.5, consolidate, and then give another pump, right? So this is what we can have if we will work with a 4-hour time frame. But if we will see a daily close still above 5.85, then most probably after some consolidation, dominance will continue pushing higher, because the close above this previous resistance zone, it will only confirm us that there is a strength in both, and that it wants to continue going up. We will have something similar situation. Look, here it also bounced from, not bounced, but broke previous high, right? Then consolidated and pumped and gave 12% of the move. All right, so something similar we can have. What does it mean? You know that when US dominance goes down, we are working with longs. When US dominance finds support and shifts into a bullish trend again, this is bearish for crypto. All right, so please be careful. But another thing, what I want to say, if next hour's price was simply consolidate about this FAG of 1 hour 0.75 0.75 fib level on 1 hour, in this case the chances that today already US dominance will continue going up will be higher, and order today tomorrow will have continuation of the uptrend and the US dominance. So I'm leaving all these levels for you. You can pause the video, highlight these levels for you on your chart, and work level from level. So first level will be 0.75 or 5.91 on 1 hour, then 5.85, and then 5.64. Okay, 3 levels, important support levels. Then Bitcoin. What can we see on Bitcoin? So I have this chart, right? I drew this, and last time I said that I think I said it only in Discord, that I highlighted only this, also this level, around 75, 77 or 76, because we can see that previously this level was standing as a level, as a resistance level, right? See, it was rejecting here first time, right? And then it started to just consolidate, and it was super choppy before giving another crazy breakout and giving this another bullish move. So which means that, and then in March 11, 2025, this level was standing as a support. But currently, what do we have here? We can see that yesterday it did bounce from this level, right? And bounced well, but overall a daily close, oh sorry, not daily close, yeah, overall like 4 hour, 6 hour, 8 hour closes, they were below this red box, which was important support zone. And currently this area can stand as an area to fight. I mean, it already bounced, and now it can simply either chop and then nuke, or the same as with USD dominance, we put fibs. We see here on 1 hour this FAG. If now Bitcoin managed to break about 0.75, in this case it will go towards this area, or 81,000 or 82,000 levels, and then reject, because this area now stands as a what? As a resistance zone. And why it is resistance? Because look, before it was standing as a support, first time, second time, third time, here fourth time, 5, and so on and so on, right? So this time it will stand as a resistance, and only if it will break above this zone, then we can say that, all right, Bitcoin can go higher to 90k and so on. But so far we have these two main areas. First one comes to current level, and the 0.75, and next one comes to 81,000 and 82,000 area. All right. Yeah. Which means if we expect that Bitcoin will continue going down, it will also affect altcoins. That's why I said be patient with your longs. There will be amazing opportunity. And since this, okay, I didn't talk about SP500 yet. Yeah, so be careful with your longs because the chance that Bitcoin will come to 69,000 levels is also still high. So for me, this area is interesting to look for longs if there will be good reaction. And another good area is this one. This one should hold for sure. Like once price comes here, it will be a really good opportunity to buy the dip, at least for some period of time. I'm not calling that Bitcoin comes here and this is over. This is the bottom of the bottom. There will be no dumps anymore yet, because high time frame we have a bit different structure, but about this I will talk a bit later. But at least short term, for 1 month or for 2 months, bottom we can find once Bitcoin comes to these areas. All right, and let me talk about Ethereum. Came to these levels, but I'm not interested in buying it yet. I want to talk about Bitcoin dominance. What do we see? We can see that it's still going up, and as I said last time, it has big chances to reach 65 level, and I'm still waiting for this, which means that there still can be dumps in altcoins. And if we go to 2 weekly time frame, we can see here 2 weekly FVG. Then if we go to monthly time frame, on monthly, honestly, it looks like it will go to 70. The dominance will go to 70. On 3 monthly, it looks like it will go even here. You may call me crazy, but I just tell you what I see. Alright, but about all this, I will make more. I will make another video to talk more about all of it. And then let's go back to Total 3 and check what's going on with Total 3 versus Bitcoin. So I have this L05, right? And price almost reached it. Let me check. But according to RSI, it looks like it will go lower. Just a second. Yeah, according to RSI on the monthly, it looks like it will come to this. So please still be careful. I don't know when. I don't know when exactly it will come to this area, but it looks like it will come this month. But it's still early to talk about all of it. What else I want to talk about is also SP500. On weekly, we can see that it came to this low on the RSI and came to this support area that I was waiting for. But we can see that it has a lot of resistance areas on the chart. So and a lot of FAGs and a lot of gaps. So what can we do? Easiest way is work with FIPS. So 0.5 already comes to exactly this level, 5,275, which was my another support level. Right, so what can we see? Either today it will manage to break above 5,015. I will explain where did I take this level from, and will come to 0.5. This will be next resistance zone. All right, or it will not manage to break today, and we need to go to lower time frame. To lower time frame. So we need to go to lower time frame. On 1 hour, we put FIPS. I have this area, and I will make it very, very red. Right, so we have this area, and we need to find a support. Support can stand this 1 hour Fibonacci, FAG, and also comes to 0.75 Fib zone. So we have this 1 hour range. Another possibility, it will reject as I did now and go lower to this FAG. We'll find a support, then again come back, and we'll manage to break the 0.05 level, or will break below this FVG, and in this case it will go a bit lower. So currently, after such drop, it's in the range, and we need to wait for the breakout. Breakout higher means bullish for Bitcoin, and we can see Bitcoin at around $82,000. Breakout and down means as a downtrend will be continued. Right, so I think that as a clear direction, we'll find we will see during the US market opening. All right, but overall, I still expect the prices to go a bit lower. You may think that something is wrong with me, I'm too bearish, but I will explain it a bit later with all details, because it will really take time to record and to prepare all the information to explain you what I see and why I expect SP500 to go a bit lower, and Bitcoin as well. And overall, a high time frame view for this year, I will also write it down and will share it with you, of course. So yeah, everything I wrote in Discord is still valid. If I will see any changes, I will warn you. Don't worry. If you have any questions, always ask me. If you're trying to long, I already said, be careful with your longs, manage the size. And then, yeah, don't panic. And that's all from my side for now. And see you later with a more detailed analysis, high time frame analysis, and more information. And see you in Discord. Bye bye.